When it comes to hand pain, you're usually going to have people that have numbness and tingling in one side of their hand. So it's good to do a little bit of massage in the hand before you go in and do the acupressure points. I'll use my body weight here to drop down into the hand. So I'm using my thumbs, but I'm actually just dropping my body weight down into these techniques. And you're spreading around the carpal tunnel. You can use your knuckles to spread around the hand if you want to save your thumbs. And that's a really nice way to warm up this area before you go in and treat all the individual acupressure points. Pericardium 7 is located in the middle of the wrist, in between the tendons of the palmaris longus and flexor carpi radialis. So these two tendons right here, right in this wrist crease, right here, you guys can see the line. You can place your thumb down in between the two tendons right here and hold for 1 to 3 minutes. This is known as a cooling point, and it's good for carpal tunnel syndrome, nerve pain, or numbness and tingling in the hand. You could also bring the hand in a little bit like this for more of a positional release, which helps to relax the tissue right here. So when you're pressing on the point, just bring the hand in a little bit, and that will help to relax the tissue a little bit easier. And you'll find that you won't have to hold the point for as long. So usually if you do this, you only have to hold it for about a minute, and the tissue will start to ease up, and there'll be some relaxation around the hand. The other primary point that you'd want to treat for hand pain is going to be lung 10. This is located in the hollow of the pad in the ball of the thumb. So it's in this upper portion right here, right in the middle. And then what you're going to do is gather the tissue and then place your thumb down right here like this. You can place one fingertip down on the other side. This is a fantastic point for anybody who does any type of work with their hands, painters, woodworkers, and especially massage therapists. If you're someone who's affected by pain in the hand, this could be a little bit sensitive. It's one of those hurts so good kind of things. But if you do press down with a firm pressure for 1 to 3 minutes, it'll start to slowly dissipate. You can also do some nice circular motions here with a nice firm, steady pressure, and keep doing that for 1 to 3 minutes. And eventually the pain in the thumb is going to go away. After you feel the pain subside, slowly come out of this technique very slowly.